Alright, we're back. Finally. Right, what I was trying to say, basically, this is the third time I'm trying to record this video. This MacBook Pro laptop is struggling. I'm using it as a desktop, and it's obviously time to probably upgrade. Probably upgrade. Anyway, what my thesis is for this is last week, right? Consolidation up until Thursday, breakout, right? Tuesday did breakout, gave an kind of green day, but I was back into a breakdown market, even, shall we say. And then we got red day, higher day opportunity, breakout of the week again, the other side of the range, and then Friday was a strong rally, green day, back off high time frame support, right? So broken a level, that's one. There's also an inside day. Monday breaks a level again, breaks the inside day, breaks Thursday, breaks the high of last week, that's two. Tuesday breaks the high of this week, that's three. And then consolidation, lower lows, pump back up on the news, looking for now a play to the downside from here. So I'm in this after news, came back up into value, right? So yeah, looking to play this as a continuation back to the lows of the day, which now happen to reside here. Sol, looking at Sol, what did that give us? Oh lord, there we go. Same-ish, just different switch. Okay. So yeah, so Tuesday broke out of the week, Monday, and then close, and then we got lower of the week, opposite side. Thursday breaks out, exactly same as Bitcoin, and then we get a close back up into the week. So this is off some EQ of high time frame. So we've got one as we've broken a level in reverse, and it's green of high time frame continuation. Two breaks level inside day and also breaks a Thursday, and then three high of the week, keeps pumping, and then four puts in another high, and then high, higher high, barely makes a high, and then gets a high at news. Looks like it's slowing down with this congestion into value, extreme of the day. So right, I'm just looking for now the extreme of day play. Collapse this back down. This is the news. I did get in here earlier. Learned my lesson. Don't pre-front run news. Price action was hella bookie right here. Put stop here though, so lowered my risk. Got stopped out. Entered here. Got stopped out again, and then entered here once more. This is the last allocation of risk for the day, and then I'm done. But we've got this area here, which is sensitive. So we could see prices come lower now, really taking out high time frame traders on the long side. We got stops to be taken. We got inefficiency to fill. This as well looks like, oh, there we go. So we'll see what happens. For now, look at Bitcoin surging back up to the highs, coming and filling in this gap and block. Inverse USDT, we have this. So very much consolidating right now. If this gets respected and then we can shoot up, then it should be on from here and back into value. Okay, this is probably worth showing. That did not work out. So news again. I'll show you was Waras Cloud. Do that for 45 minutes. Boy, there. News was there. Then we consolidated. Then we wanted to go to the high of the day. So for me, this is a day take range. This is day zero type vibes, bro. On BTC, straight reversal. So we've gone in again. We're coming now. In fact, that kind of behavior there. If we can get a retest back up to something like this would be great. But I'm in Sol once again. So look, on this candle, if we can get a quarter past candle back up to here, I'm gone. You ain't got to tell me twice. I'm doing this, then this, so there. If you give me that. And then with Sol, I'll take lower low on the inside. We've got that cracking already. So topped up my account by $20, by the way. Got absolutely. I was panicking a bit here. I should have just held my stop, but I was trying to be a bit more cautious, and the fees ate me up. Taken 5 trades today instead of 2, so that's not good either. Need to learn the lesson there. But we'll keep everything tight. See what BTC is doing. Coming up to the area of interest here. USDT. There we go. Bouncing off that area. Couldn't give. Ooh, that's gnarly, dude. No, ooh. Where? Couldn't even close above the day. Closed above the day. That's just hilarious. I didn't enter that trade, but that was a hypothetical. I think we're almost getting there. Just one last little pump. What have we got here? This is probably quite critical. This is value here. So value. Oh, fuck it, no, mate. Reverse it. Yeah, you can probably find some value around there. I'd say one dig higher, but whatever. Can this refresh now? Because that shouldn't be liquidation. There we go. Does he want it? No. Does he want it? Oh, this needs to go up here. Up here, mate. Even this is something. There we go. Tagged. So I'll tag myself in here. Stop here. Well, that's not quite the story. Where is it? Stop at 110, 168. Let's do it properly. There we go. We could get done up here again. Then I'd be looking at Solana poking up into here again, probably. But as far as this goes for now, this is what I'm rolling with. This has been a very long day. I should have just turned up here. Would have saved all of this bullshit. How many hours of my life? 3 hours. Could have been eating air. Gotta cook some dinner soon. Right, we'll see what happens. Okay, this is where we're at so far. USDT's come to value. Didn't hold the original area. We'll just show that quickly. So got this nice dump and pump 4-day reversal template. Extreme day. Came extreme day post news into some previous value here from the end of May. I got some nice action going on here. So if this can hold this level and going upwards, I'm still looking at holding this BTC short there. We've made lower lows on the inside after taking extreme a day. Also, the good news is I'll also finalize my plan a lot more. There's only 2 setups I'm looking for now, as opposed to 4 or 5. So this should make things a lot clearer. I've just had a little epiphany from looking at my data in Notion. Definitely recommended if you don't record data and setups and type. But there's 2 things, and that might even change to 1 in the future. But yeah, this is what we're looking at. Had news, pumped up again. So lower lows, 30-minute, 4-day reversal. This looks juicy here. Something here as well. And same for BTC. Looking at taking this is just coiling like hell into this. This looks nice. This coming up, if this is gonna wanna reverse. These men will have stops here. Taking this would be good. Shorts, break this, break this, break this. Stops up there, right? So I think this could be taken up to here. Based on my data as well, I've adjusted my targets for the reversal. This looks like it's going to take this low, come into the EQ of this day, which puts us about here. Which is in line with our original target anyway. It could come down lower, but man, just gonna stick to it. BTC, this puts us taking this low, we'll say. So that's update. We'll see what else happens. Alright, so basically it's coming to close. We haven't quite hit my target yet. Came so close to TP, which was here. Didn't quite get that. I was looking for my standard. It's 4:15. Close is coming soon. I was expecting the previous day's low to be taken on Bitcoin. This has not happened as of yet. But my personal TP has been hit, or reached at least, floating. Sol has just missed it. Annoyingly. So what I've done, I'm just going to end this here, basically, rather than drag this out. If I look at inverse, yeah, this looks cooked. I've just put my stop down here. Just so at least that way I'm covered, and if it does go and hit target, then I'm good. Target was more like here, and then same with this, leaving that stop there and then target down there. So we'll just call it for now, and that's that. Keep this video short and sweet. Thank you very much.